Alright guys, we got us a 2015 BMW 650i xDrive. If you don't know, now you know. This car is fast and beautiful. Anyways, got the converters shoved up there somewhere on each side, beside the motor or whatever. Then it's got a factory H-pipe right there. Then we took the resonator, was a dual in, dual out resonator, and put two vibrant bottle mufflers, part number 1792, the 2.5 inch inlet and outlet. Okay, make sure you guys get 2.5 inch inlet and outlet if you guys want this sound. Then 3-inch pipe continues, and then we added 2.5 inch there and there into some quad tips, blue flame or titanium. Came out really beautiful, as you guys can see there and right there. There's the resonator we cut off. There's the two mufflers with the valves we cut off. We let this thing breathe, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always guys, like, comment, subscribe. All right guys, I bet you this is the only BMW that you guys will see in this color combination. Look at that sexy beast. 650i 2012 BMW. Got factory converters there and up there somewhere right beside the motor. Then comes with a factory 3-inch pipe into a factory H pipe there. Then we did a mid resonator delete there. Then we ran factory pipe again and deleted the rear mufflers there and there. There's the two mufflers, there's the resonator. Deleted all that, like, and put some quad tips out the back just to complete the look. Came out beautiful. Black chrome quad tips. Just sexy all the way around. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always guys, like, comment, subscribe. So, new word of the day, exhaust liposuction. That's what we just did. He's about to start this beast and let us hear it. Why not? Oh, wow. Your sound decibels? Right at 107. Probably even louder than that. Again? Man, that sounds sick. Rev it like that, like hard, and then take your foot off. Let's see if it barbles. Almost. You see that? Again? Almost like when you leave, probably when you get. Perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. Go ahead and back it out. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. Go ahead. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Louis Vuitton special. You hear that beast coming up? Give it gas. That's sick. There you go. Sound decibels? 150. That's perfect. Man, that sounds mean. Yeah. There's that pop. Go on and back it out. That's perfect. Look at that sexy car, man. And it's a convertible. Yeah. Again. There it is from the front. What you guys hear on the inside? .650i xDrive. Vibrant mids, rear delete, quad tips. Ooh, baby, that's sexy. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Get on it! Damn! Like a bullet, babe. Enjoy, guys.